Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change table border color in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this table and press Ctrl A for our keyboard. Select whole table or click right button and select all cells. Now click on the table format option and click cell option and scroll down. Here you will find still border option. You can select all border and this tail border color option. Select here. Click move color. Red this tail border color. You can increase this border color. And again says you can add theme border color. See this. Also you can add custom border color here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.